Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Larry, and I'm here from Tech Corp today. And you guys are very, very lucky because you're in for a treat today. We're going to show you the world's first fully automated and waste-reducing fridge. Right here. Here he is, Carl. Say hello, Carl.
Hello, Larry, and everybody. I'm Carl, the very clever fridge.
Hang on 1 second. Okay. Did you know, people, I don't know if you know this, but 1/3 of all the food waste, over 1/3 of all the food that's bought in the UK goes straight in the trash. That's right, people, straight in the trash. Don't even get to eat it. And the reason why that is because people don't get to use their leftovers. So, what we're going to do for you today is give you a little demonstration of this beautiful machine that we've developed. And I've got an assistant waiting for me behind here, but before that I'm going to leave you with one fact. And it's that 6.7 tons, million tons that is, 6.7 million tons of food is wasted, thrown out in the UK every year. That's food that's good. We could have eaten that food, but you know, we're too lazy. We didn't get around to making it. So Carl's here to sort that out for us. So if my beautiful assistant Paul could come on.
Good morning, Carl.
Hello, Paul. How are you this morning?
I'm pretty good.
Today, the following items will come out of date. Eggs, tomato, spinach, cheese. I suggest you make a spinach and tomato omelet for breakfast. Very tasty.
Sounds good, Carl.
As you can see, Carl is a very clever piece of machinery. But not only can he suggest recipes for you to make out of your leftovers, he can also print you out a copy of the recipe so you can reference it during the cooking. Not only does Carl do this, there is more, ladies and gentlemen, there is more, that's right. I'm going to show you Carl now in another everyday situation and see how he handles this. Okay, take it away, Paul.
Hey, Carl.
Oh, you're going shopping?
Yeah.
You are out of the following items. Milk, whole meal bread, margarita pizza, eggs, and smoky bacon cocktail sausages. I will text this list to your cell phone to make sure you don't forget.
Oh, thanks, Carl.
Have a nice shop, and remember not to buy anything you don't need.
Will do, Carl. See you in a bit. Oh, I've got a message. It's Carl.
The reason why Carl knows what's in your fridge and what's going to go off is because when you go shopping, you come home and you scan your shopping through this nifty little laser scanner. And then Carl can keep up to date on the freshness and all of your food. He remembers your average shopping list. So let's just see what happened when Paul comes back from the shop, shall we?
Hey, Carl. I'm back from the shop.
Hello, Paul. Did you have a nice shop?
Yeah, right.
Please scan your purchases before you put them in me.
Beep. Beep.
Whole meal bread,
Beep.
margarita pizza,
Beep. Beep.
smoky bacon cocktail sausages.
See you later, Carl.
Don't forget to do your recycling. Naughty, naughty. Have a nice day.
Bye, Carl. Love you.
So there you go, people. Just next time you go shopping, think, what would Carl do?